Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam in the farewell pilgrimage combined the Umrah with the Hajj and took the sacrificial animal along with him from the Zul Hulayfa. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam first pronounced talbiyah for Umrah and then for Hajj. The other people as well performed Hajj Tamattu along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Some of the people had the sacrificial animals, so they dispatched them, but some of them did not have the sacrificial animals. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam reached Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to the people, "Whoever of you has sent the sacrificial animal, nothing will become legal for him what has been forbidden for him due to Hajj until he completes his Hajj. And whosoever of you has not sent his sacrificial animal should take off the ihram after performing the circumambulation of the Kaaba, marching in between Safa and Marwa, and getting his hair clipped. Thereafter, he should wear the pilgrim garb and offer sacrifice. Whosoever cannot afford a sacrificial animal should observe 3-day fasting during Hajj days and 7-day fasting after reaching home." When he sallallahu alayhi wasallam reached Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam made the circuit of the Kaaba. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam first of all honored the black stone. Then he sallallahu alayhi wasallam ran, walked with quick steps, 3 circuits, and walked the 4 of 7 circuits. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam, after completing the circumambulation of the Kaaba, performed 2 units beside the Abraham's station and get free after performing the salutation. Later, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam made towards Safa and marched 7 times in between Safa and Marwa. And he sallallahu alayhi wasallam did not legalize anything for him which had become forbidden for him, wearing ihram, until he sallallahu alayhi wasallam completed his Hajj and sacrificed his sacrificial animal. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then performed ifada, circumambulation of Allah's house, and then all the things got permissible for him which had been forbidden for him while performing Hajj. And those of the companions who had dispatched the sacrificial animals did the same what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam did. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2972.